Hello everybody, my name is Shadow456 and welcome to our Love for the video updates. And as you see that it's my first time to do that, and as you see it's color black because I didn't have any presentations for that. But on month of June we have many updates right now, and what am I going to do is I'll be posting a lot of videos for today because I am already finished making Left 4 Dead 2 main campaigns, and it's in 1 hour and 26 minutes and 57 seconds, but it'll be 1 hour and 4 seconds if it is in YWE. So I don't know if I tried to beat some YouTubers I don't know what's the name. I think I just beat the time, but I don't know if it's trying to make the passing and close stream. The reason why it's too short was because I didn't have the passing and cold stream. But also I was trying to make this main campaign world record. Is that because that I've been trying to make some chance of speed runs. But all the chance of speed runs like Hardware in the Parish and Lord Carnival that I haven't finished will be now on YouTube. So I tried to make that again so that I won't do anything all the chance of speed runs. And as you know that guys, our tournaments will be close starting tomorrow because I've got my recital, voice recital, and crazy. Yeah, that's why in some time you can see that I'm not speaking, and you might see that all I tried to make the statistics is all some 17 minutes. So I'm gonna tell you the stat really soon. It's very no finish. Try to make this thing easily. So my dead center was in from 17 minutes, and I don't know if I tried to make everything wrong. It was 17, 39, 17, 20, 17, 30, 15 minutes, 20 minutes and 42 seconds. I don't know why. That's because I think of the cemetery, and it has 10 parts. So part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, part 7, 4 chapters in Hard Rain, part 8, 2 levels in the parish and 1 Milton Escape, and then cemetery and quarter, then top part 10, the bridge. So also since in the month of June there's now a Q&A sessions. Since I told you guys that it's on June 15, 2017, I just saw some people just wanted to comment some questions in other video. Just like please watch our YouTube page. Or the other one is they just wanted to join the tournament. So we try to accept all videos that are the different questions, but some other questions are being repeated. Because the only reason is that because the EP you send, you need to keep writing. And many people just thought that. Also, I don't know if I am now in 30 subscribers. I was supposed to do the 30 subscribers special, but I tried to make it first. Because those were rehearsals of me and the tournament players. My team was not there because they are busy in their class and work, so a lot of them are different places right now. So I got me and my 30 tournament players. Actually, those were my neighbors and my Facebook friends. Also, my basketball players who just wanted to join the tournament And also, we just had our teacher, and we know that you know what we just sang. So again, tournament Q&A reminders are, so Q&A, since I got my school on June 20 our tournaments will be closed until our tournaments will now be open from Friday, from Saturday and Sunday. So that's really, I'm trying to memorize Make Love Yourself because that will be my recital tomorrow. So tournaments are supposed to be closed tomorrow. my tournament players and everything are going to my recital, even my team. So Q&A, since we are in June 20, Q&A are now extended. Since June 15 is a different day, since I don't know the calendar, because June 20 I don't know what's the day, so I don't know what will be the day for the day. So today, May 25, Thursday, uh, June 20, I don't know what day is it, maybe, I don't know, so maybe June 20 was Thursday, Wednesday, I think so. Q&A is now extended until June 18, 2017. So just got 3 days extension because of my school days. So yeah guys. So Q&A again extended on June 18. So good luck in counting our questions, and also tournament trained players are now available from all countries nationwide, because you already know what to do in our definition. So that's why it's okay for you to do that. So thank you for our announcement, people. My name is Shadon456, and I have Candy. So goodbye. Bye.